I asked Randy from Laney's Laundry for a testimonial, and before you know it, we start talking laundry. You've got to check out this conversation.
I recommend curbside laundry because their system, it's almost like hands off. Everything you want is there. I would have no clue where I'm going, where I'm headed without the software, especially for the pickup and delivery. I can see in real time what the drivers are working on, which driver is working on. I can see how much I made for the month, 3 months, a year. I can compare those numbers to last year's numbers. I can real time see if I'm having a bad month. Do I need to do a MailChimp, Zoom, or a coupon or something? Last month, I saw the numbers going down a little bit, and I said, oh, this would be a perfect time to put out a coupon to some of the people I haven't seen in a while. And sure enough, I probably did almost $2,000 in coupons, which was incredible. May have worked too well. It was the software that led me to do the coupon. So I'm thankful.
Awesome. Thank you. And, when you mentioned the coupons, is it $1,800 in business from the coupons or actual $1,800 in redemption?
$1,800 in redemption, about $2,000 in redemption.
Wow. So the dollar amount of actual business from that is many thousands of dollars.
Yeah. The staff got upset with me. Next time you do a coupon, do one at a time. I think I did 2 or 3 of them. It was very overwhelming for them. Going forward, I know all right, let's just do one coupon at a time, not to overwhelm the staff.
Our manager, Mary, she goes, Matt, make it stop because those text messages, they really work and it gets people. I think it works for 2 reasons. The coupon is almost secondary. The primary thing is they might have forgotten about you, or they fell off the radar, or they just say, oh yeah, now's a good time. And then they place the order and it's just a reminder you're out there.
Yeah, someone came in and said, wow, I didn't know you did that. That was very nice. I feel like a part of the Laney's Laundry family. And then they asked, was this because I'm a good customer? Or yes, yes.
Yes, to all the above. People oftentimes question, like, should I do email or text message? And my rule of thumb is good news should be by text message, bad news or policy changes, email, such as prices increase or things like that. Another nice part about text message, it's more personal. When you get a text message, who's text messaging you? It's your friends. When Laney's Laundry is text messaging people, it's like you're in their phone book. This is personal. This is like my friends, and Laney's Laundry reaches out to me. So I think the method of delivery is powerful too.
Yes, it is. I like the text message better than an email. I don't know when they're going to read that email or see that email. Text, their phones are in their hands, in their pockets at all times. They get a text, immediately they know.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. We've got some really exciting content coming up behind the scenes at SuperSuds in person. We also have some really great interviews coming around the corner. So click subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget, if you want to see more information about Curbside Laundries, go to curbsidelaundries.com.